Let's say you're a new client and you just found an infringing listing and you want to report it in the QTI brand portal, or maybe you have a bunch of legitimate listings and you want to see what the scraper can pull up. Well, not to worry. So first off, we're going to go to Qti.ai, and if you just search up the domain, you'll go right here, click login, and then enter your credentials. And you'll see here are some basic statistics about how many takedowns there have been and other things as well. So let's say I want to report this URL. I just copy the URL, paste it in here, hit scrape, and it probably won't be recorded, but there should be a pop-up saying successfully added to queue. And then you can also check out your listings. Now, let's say, for example, that this listing pops up and I actually, Harwack is a legitimate seller. So in that case, I could flag as an authorized seller, or I could specifically flag them as an infringer. And this would let the QTI team know to take this one down. Infringements just has images that the scraper uses to find other images, as along with a little bit of data. And this is where you can find your IP portfolio. So this is the IP that we have in our system that is usually registered on other systems. This should be populated fully in around a week after you're signing on. So thank you so much. If you have any other questions, feel free to shoot us an email through the emails in the title card or the description. Have a great one.